Hi, this is Muammar Husnik, and I'm just creating my mini webinar for our future group webinar. I'm kind of listing my roles and what scenario we're doing. Obviously, as a group, we chose scenario 3, advice for UMN student groups. And we have expectations there, concerns to address. I chose management concerns to address. Um, Such things as what virtual tools might we use to conduct all staff meetings, conflict resolutions, and employee goals and incentives, and how might the client communicate with multiple people at once as opposed to communicating face to face with one person individually to express conflict concerns or human resources issues. That'll be in a more confidential manner as opposed to virtual collaborations with many people. A few virtual collaboration tools I found is Google Drive. This is very useful for sharing files such as, what are we looking at in human resources such as policies, rules and regulations, compensation and benefits, instead of giving your employee or say student intern a hard copy of everything that's found in a handbook. You can easily upload it online. You can keep any file from PDFs to Word document files, so that'd be a good way of sharing your rules and regulations as well as policies for the exact place that you're working for. Um, you can share it how you want. You can allow people to edit it. So if you find someone that will edit it for you, say you're in a student group and you're one of the managers that edits policies, you can edit it. If you're not a manager and you're a student member of a student organization, the manager or the owner of that file can allow you to only view it. And also you can comment on it as it shows here. They are private unless you choose them not to be private between individuals you are sharing it with. And of course, that's safe and secure. It's crucial, and they're encrypted using SSL. So I feel like that's a very good feature for keeping confidentiality and ways to keep it within the organization and not lost out of it. Another tool I found for collaborating individually as well as in a large group setting is TeamViewer. This is very good for talking to many people at once. You can share your screen and video with the group. You can channel groups. You can do comprehensive reporting, management console. With this, I found that one-on-one meetings are used for this and are crucial. Luckily for TeamViewer, it provides that type of platform for one-on-one face meetings and also group meetings, but I feel like this is the best for one-on-one meetings because you can actually control the other person's screen. So if you're training or teaching somebody how to do something, you can control their screen and click on wherever they need to go. So for example, you need to go to a tab like Google Drive to check out files. You control their screen and show them how to access each single file or presentation, Word document, PDF, sort of things like that, where you can collaborate. You can show them on Google Drive how to access the Microsoft Word file that they need to be working on with their group. Things like that, TeamViewer enables people to do in a group setting as well as a one-on-one face thing where it's video and screen at the same time. So using TeamViewer and Google Drive, those two coupled can be used for training techniques for a student union association. It can be a training tool for consultants, and it can be used as tools for getting this entire student union organized and ready to make things happen. Yep. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.